Imagine you're working in a security team. You've got vulnerability scanners telling you that you have thousands, hundreds of thousands, or even millions of open vulnerabilities. But you know that a tiny minority of these, maybe less than 1%, could actually lead to a security breach. So what do? You could use some kind of scoring criteria to prioritize the vulnerabilities from 1 to 100. Maybe you could just manually investigate all the findings yourself. This can actually work, but if it takes an expert hours to fully understand each finding in context, how do you scale it? Now instead, imagine you had an ability to run the type of in-depth investigation that a human expert would, completely automatically. That's what we do at Maze. We have built AI agents that replicate the workflows of the world's best security engineers to investigate vulnerabilities in the context of your organization. Our AI agents first run through vulnerability research to understand exploit scenarios. Then they go look at your cloud context, compensating controls, and other sources to understand if a vulnerability can be exploited. But if it can, we then investigate further, using AI again to understand how likely the vulnerability is to be exploited and mapping out exactly what the business impact would be if it was. The highest risk vulnerabilities are then prioritized, and our AI agents manage mitigation and remediation for you, so you can stop feeling like a project manager. Our AI agents never get bored and they never get tired. Meaning you don't just get this level of detailed investigation on just a single vulnerability, but across all of the thousands or millions of vulnerabilities in your environment. This gives you a near perfect understanding of what's going on, and understanding which vulnerabilities matter and which you can ignore. We're delighted to now be launching Maze. Our AI agents are now deployed at more than 10 enterprises, including 2 of the Fortune 200. And for these customers, we've been able to help them identify that around 80 to 90% of their vulnerabilities are actually just false positives, so they can ignore them with confidence. And we've helped them rapidly fix the few that really matter. Maze is now available to everyone. We can't wait to see what you think.